Hey there. Traveling with kids is already a handful, right? But what happens when your flight gets delayed or even canceled? It can feel like a nightmare. But here's the good news. If your flight was delayed by 3 hours or more, or canceled altogether, you could be entitled to some compensation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can claim flight compensation when traveling with children. This process might seem confusing at first, but trust me, it's straightforward. Thanks to European Union regulations, passengers, including families with children, have the right to claim compensation for certain delays or cancellations. Now, you might be thinking, where do I even start? That's where I come in. First, head over to the airline's website to check their compensation policy. But here's the thing, dealing directly with airlines can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's why I highly recommend using Compensair, a trusted service that takes care of everything for you. They simplify the entire process, so you don't have to worry about the paperwork or negotiations. All you need to do is follow the steps and submit your claim. If your flight was delayed or canceled, and you were traveling with your kids, you can still claim compensation without the hassle. Just follow the link in the description, and you'll be taken to a platform that will guide you through every step. It's easy, fast, and you don't need to be an expert. Remember, airlines won't always offer compensation freely, but it's your right to claim it. Even if you didn't know before, it's not too late to take action now. So why wait? Start your claim today and get what you're entitled to. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with anyone who's had their trip disrupted by a flight delay.